Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean, and I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down.
I'm gonna go ahead and kick off this vlog. It is Sunday. The time is approximately, let me see, because the power been going out today. Like, the oven is still flashing, the microwave still flashing. It is 4:28.
I'm on your way right now. I'm on your way right now.
Browning seasoning is added and everything is mixed in. Now I'm gonna drop in these veggies over here and let them sit in the marinade also. Now we got all the veggies mixed in the browning seasoning. Now it's time to let them marinate for a little while and then go ahead and brown them in the skillet. Now making sure the oxtails are browned on both sides before I drop them into the pot. The pot is a mixture of hot water and spicy beef broth. And we'll let it cook. Make sure we stir it we'll stir it each hour, and we'll let it cook for about 3 to 4 hours. The cabbage going too, so it's going to be oxtails, cabbage, and rice. Right, fit all the oxtails in the pot, so we're just gonna keep checking on it. I did add a little bit more seasoning to the top just to make sure it is good and seasoned. And I'll call y'all back shortly when it's done. Now I'm just waiting on the rice and we'll be ready to eat. The cabbage is done finally, and let's get into these oxtails, honey. Yeah, they're looking good and juicy and tender. Hey y'all, hey. Well, I almost forgot what today was. On live, playing around, shooting the shit, and almost forgot. Before you get into it, it has been a rough week, a long week. So here we are, May 21st, 5 o'clock, headed to my niece's graduation, big Rai-Poo, big Nisi-Poo, and we are headed to the graduation ceremony. This is her. Can y'all, let me zoom in on the GPA for y'all. Y'all see it? A 4.4, period. My sister, again, like I told y'all, has done an amazing job with my niece. I love that. And baby girl's gonna do things. She's headed to great things. Creating her own scholarship fund, giving scholarships to her colleagues and with her classmates. I'm telling y'all, philanthropist in the making. But we are headed to the graduation, and I'll see y'all shortly.
I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, babe. Saying, yeah. Hey.
Got a wet, bet that's all neck, girl, that's ready. Gave me all neck, how be handy. Ready, might just sound my ex-girl on Malcolm and Eddie. Already, your ass might just go and get upset, don't be petty. Already, smoke zest so.
Parking awful, so we had to make a park in the alley, y'all.
And I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love. Because I need it, I need it, I need it.
So Rock Legend.
I'm on your way right now. I'm on your way right now. Yeah. You got me inside now. Yeah, I'm on your way.
And one more time for Nisi-Poo's shirt. We had a fan. We got towels. It was a time, and Auntie is tired. So I will see y'all on the next vlog. Thanks for tuning in and just enjoying my Wednesday evening with me. Also, if you didn't catch my live, y'all missed out because it was some tea that was dropped. But I may or may not unlist it. We'll see. But I will catch y'all next time. Thanks for tuning in. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And congrats to all the 2025 graduates, whether it's college, kindergarten, elementary, middle school. An accomplishment is an accomplishment, and these babies have worked hard. So if you're a proud parent, I want to see you popping it. Go ahead and drop your congrats to your baby, family member, mama, yourself in the comments, and I'll see y'all next time.
Push a beat, turn me up.